Yuk dimulai.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 12. I'm Rismita Marisa Utami as moderator and presenter 1, and my friend Mariza Anggraini as presenter 2. Today, we will discuss about an error analysis of the student's thesis entitled The Use of Show and Tell Method in Teaching Vocabulary at the Second Year Students of Junior High School, Negeri 4 Galesong Selatan, Kabupaten Takalar, Dai Nurvita Syari. Okay, the next slide. Error analysis. Error is a noticeable difference from the adult grammar of a native speaker, which reflect the learner's intermediate language competence. Mistakes are performance errors that are either random, guesses, or slips, in that no system cannot be used correctly by Sujoko. The next slide. The cause of error. The first is interlingual transfer. Example, incorrect sentence, the bag of Sarah. An example, correct sentence is Sarah bag. And the next, intralingual transfer. The example, incorrect sentence is does Randy can sing? And the example correct sentence is can Randy sing? And the next, context of learning. The example incorrect sentence is how did the football match come on? And the example correct sentence is how did the football match come out? And the last, communication strategies. The example incorrect sentence is I lost my way. And the example correct sentence is I got lost. Okay, the next slide. The types of error. The first is omission. Omission are characterized by the absence of item that must appear in well-formed utterance. The second is addition. Addition are the opposite of omission error. They are characterized by the presence of an item which must not be present in a well-formed utterance. And next, misinformation. Misinformation errors are characterized by the use of the uncaptable form of the morpheme or structure. And the last, misordering. Misordering errors are characterized by the incorrect placement of a morpheme of group of morpheme in a utterance. Okay, the next slide. The methodology of error analysis. The first is collecting of the data, identification of error and classification into error types, and statement of relative frequency of error types and identification of the area of difficult in the target language, and the last is therapy. Okay, the next slide. Okay, the first, identification of error. The first sentence, hope in my happy day, I'm not sad. The type of error is omission, and the reconstruction is Hope in my happy. I am not sad. And the second, the the second, implementing show and tell method. Type of error is omission. The reconstruction is implementing the show and tell method. Okay, the next material will be explained by Meriza Anggraini. Meriza, time is yours.
Okay, in this slide have all of the research best friend from the English Education Department 2013, especially from PBI. Seven thanks for friendship and togetherness. Types of error is misinformation. Identification of error is all of the research best friend from the English Education Department. Next, the reconstruction is the learning process and do not to be buried, and the material the types of error is addition. Next slide, Ki. Okay, next, suggestion, courage, and advice very necessary to the research for the readers in the future. The types of error is misinformation. Next, thanks for all of your suggestion, affection and togetherness. The types of error is misinformation. Next, show and tell can use food and draws or photograph new game tools. Types of error is misinformation. Next slide, Ki. Okay, in this slide, it not only for life, but also for us as along for Earth. Types of error is admission. And last, the research meet the English teacher for asking their help and guidance in the conducting the research. Types of error is misinformation. Next slide. Method is effective toward the student vocabulary at the second grade. Student of Junior High School Negeri 4 Gaselong Selatan Kabupaten Takalar. The type of error is misinformation. And next, for instance, the teacher may use show and tell method, their method, to make their student enjoy the class. The type of error is misinformation. And last, I also have female cousin since childhood stay with us. The types of error is addition. Next slide. Are communicating with each other. The types of error is omission. My brother habit of going out late, worrisome. Types of error is omission. And last, especially A and B as respondents of the research. The types of error is misinformation. Okay, I think enough my explanation. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you. That was our explanation. Please, if you have any question. Okay, I think enough. That was our presentation. Thank you for nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.